Right now, let me show you how you're going to subscribe to Spotify on your iPhone. Let me walk you through it step by step. And if this is your first time here, most definitely become part of the community so you don't miss tutorials like this one. So, of course, you need to have the Spotify app ready. So, if you don't have it downloaded, just go to the App Store and look it up and perhaps even get the latest version of the app if there is like an update available. But then you get inside and make sure you are signed in. So it's going to ask you to like sign in with your account. So I assume you are inside in here. But then you just want to subscribe. And the button for it is at the bottom. It is called Premium because the feature is called Spotify Premium. So that's how it's called. But it's very likely that you also get like a pop-up on the screen perhaps when you open up the app for the first time. So it will, you will probably be notified about that option. So if not, you can always click on the premium button at the bottom. Is going to give you the ability to pick from the available plans. So you have like an individual, student, family, or more options which you can pick from. All of them have like different price point and different perks. So it really makes sense to go through them and find the one you are going to be using the most, right? But as you can see, there isn't any clickable button, right? Like you can select the type of the subscription, but it doesn't let you like set it up or go through the payments, right? And the reason for it is that you actually have to buy the premium through the Spotify website. So it doesn't work inside of the app, even though you can only use it through the app. But instead, we have to open up the Spotify premium. You can just type that into the Google search. It's going to just guide you through it. And you can just tap on that little thing. You will basically go through all of the options, and you can just tap on the model that you want to go for. So now you already have the buttons to pick the plan and actually subscribe to it. You can tap on it as such, perhaps continue with your account if it like signed you out. But then you have to go through all of the setup and of course have the payment method ready so you can actually subscribe to it. So of course you can use your card, or I believe the PayPal should work too. So let me know if you managed to find it. I really hope that I could quickly guide you through it. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll catch you later.